Hey there friends, it's Vanessa from Vanessa Jordan Photography, and today I'll be teaching you how to create the perfect branding for your business. This branding will reflect you, your brand, and your business that you will feel completely confident to showcase. Without further ado, let's jump on into it. Alright, so to start, branding does seem overwhelming. And I know, you probably seem very overwhelmed and this is probably the last thing you want to talk about and the last thing you want to think about. Or maybe it's the first thing you want to think about and you're just jumping the gun and you want to go, yes, before I start this business I want to get my branding all cleaned up and all set. And that's great. I'm super proud of you. But most people, it's super overwhelming and they don't want to think about it. So to start, get out a notebook. Trust me, just get out a notebook and write what your business is and why you started this business. Because that is super important. Why did you start? What is driving you to start this business? What do you do? What exactly does your business do? What does it provide people? Is it a service? Is it a product? What are you giving into the world? Write those down. And also, write down what your business is about. What's your goal? What's your mission statement? What are you driving to do? That can kind of give you a better frame of reference on what you're going towards. Because then this can help find your audience who you're going to attract, which is the next step. Once you have all those things written down about your business and you have a clear focus and a clear idea of what you're going for, and what your business is pursuing and their goal and the main goal is of your business, write down a list of your ideal client. Think of their name. How old are they? Is it female or male or both? Do they have kids? Are they married? Do they go run to Target every 5 minutes? Or are they someone who would rather go to Walmart or the Dollar Tree? Who is your ideal client? Write the list of things they like, things they don't like, and really try to get to know this ideal client or ideal customer, not just client, your ideal customer. So then you can get to know them. So then when you are creating your branding, creating your ads, Instagram posts, whatever, you are making sure that you are talking to them because they want to connect with you and you want them to connect with your business. Once you have all those lists and ideas, hop onto Pinterest. I know that's probably the last thing you thought I would say. Create a private board and just start pinning things. Pinning things that your ideal client would like, things that speak to you, color palettes, bowls, flowers, dresses, whatever inspires you, whatever is oh, this is so cool, pin it. Don't think about it. If you think it's cool, pin it. Then after about 15 minutes, take a step back and kind of look through your board and see common similarities. Write down those similarities, whether it's colors or an overall vibe or just it's a light and airy photography. Write down every similarity or things that you are seeing consistently. And then from that, you should have a pretty good idea of what your branding should be. From that, you should know, okay, maybe I should go with blues for my branding, or I want light and airy photography, or I want dark and moody, or I want to speak to people that have more the herby, edgy vibe. Herby, is that a word? Whatever. But from this list, you'll be able to find that you're able to size down what exactly you should be focusing on to create this brand. From that, you can go on Illustrator and play with colors, play with fonts, play with how exactly you're going to create your logo, and how to create your logo is coming up in a future video, so stay tuned to that. But this is going to give you a really good idea of what to focus on, a solid idea, which hopefully will make you less overwhelmed. you kind of know what your vision is, you know what the color palette should be, you kind of know where you're going. So then this branding started from just figuring out what your goal is for your business, finding out what clients or customers that you want to attract and what exactly they're like, and then just pinning things that you connect with and then you know that your customers will connect with, which creates the perfect branding for your business because it's going to not only make you happy, but it's going to make your customers and clients happy. So what could be better than that? So once you have this, the sky's the limit. You can create your business cards, you can start thinking of logo ideas, sketching things out, kind of figuring out what exactly will work with this overall branding cohesive vibe that you have. And from there, the possibilities are endless. And I want you to, I'll link the couple of videos that I have about keeping everything consistent, using RGB colors and CMYK colors across all branding and trying to keep it all consistent. So you can make sure to check out those videos. So then once you have your branding, you can find your exact colors and make sure they're completely consistent across the board. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Head over to the link in the description to download your free branding guide. You can also check out my shop where I have tons and tons of different brandings that you can download and use as your own if this whole process kind of scared you or you went through it and nothing really came out of it. It's okay. You can totally download one that I have or purchase one from me, and that is completely okay. It still speaks to you and your customers. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to follow along all of my day-to-day adventures. Make sure you give this video a like if you like it, and comment down below what else you'd like to see from me, and even what branding what is the vibe of your branding that you came up with. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, bye guys!